Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. This is Joanna. Today's tutorial we are going to make a bishop or Chinese collar. Let's get straight to the tutorial. Now, I'll first of all measure around the neckline. I'll first of all take my measuring tape and then measure around the neckline to get the um, neckline circumference or the measurement for the neckline. Now, you can do this about 2 or 3 or even to 4 times just to be sure of the exact measurement that you have. So at first I had 17 and a half. Sorry, I had 17. So I'll just repeat this about 3 times to make sure I get the exact measurement. So at long last, the last measurement I had 18 inches. So this is it, 18 inches. So that is what you are going to use for the collar. Now I'm going to use the stay. I'm using a hat stay. Normally we call this stiff in Ghana. We call it stiff. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to fold this in a bias fold, like a triangular shape, as you can see me fold like this. Then I'm dividing the 18 inches by 2. That gives me 9 inches. Then I'll mark that 9 inches straight on the triangular or the bias fold. After that, I'll place my measuring tape and then measure from the very end or the tip of the triangular shape to both sides to make sure they are equal. Now, I can see there is a difference. So I'm using the smaller side, the right angled side measurement to go around it, which is the smallest measurement. So that is 10 and 3/4. I'm going to use that to mark it round the triangle. I will then connect the point together to form a curve, as you can see me doing. Okay, so after that, remeasure to make sure it is 9 inches. Remeasure the curve to make sure it is 9 inches. So I had exactly 9 inches. I had exactly 9 inches. Assuming it was lesser than the 9 inches, you just have to make adjustments to it. Now, I want the collar to be 1 inch long. So I'm going to go up 1 inch all around the curve. 1 inch. This is optional. Some people prefer it 1.5. I mean, you can make it 1.5. You can make it 1.25 to your preference, how long you want the collar. So I'm making this 1 inch. After marking, I connected the point together to form a curve as well. Then I'm going to cut this out. Before then, we are going to make the curve or the curvy shape at the end of the collar. So the up or the new curve that we have, I'm going to mark 1/4 inch at the end like this. Then I'm using my curve ruler, or you can use your free hand to give this a curve. I'm sorry about the sound. It is actually raining now. That is why the sound, um, I mean, sound like this. So give this a curve. So that's basically it for the end of the collar. After which I'll cut it out. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I So this is how it looks after cutting it out. It looks like a moon-like shape. So this is how it look on the neck. Okay, so I'm going to use this to cut out the fabric. So we are using the plain fabric for the collar. So I'm going to break that out. So I went ahead to fold up like this. I went ahead to fold up the plain fabric like this, about 4.5 inch. Then I'm going to use the part of the sleeve which has the gum on it. I'll place it on the wrong side of the plain fabric and then give it a price to make it stay on the plain fabric. I hope you understand. So we are just trying to attach the stiffener or the stay on the plain fabric. Now I'm going to give this a 1/2 inch allowance all round the all around the collar or the stiffener that we have now. 1/2 inch all round it. So after marking out that, I'll go ahead and connect the point together as you can see me doing. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. I'll go ahead and cut this out. Now I will take it to the sewing machine, then I'm going to run stitches from this point, round it and stop at the very end, leaving the down part of it. I'm just remeasuring to make sure it is equal to the 18 inches round neck circumference that we have. So I just did that and it is accurate. So I'm just going to go ahead and then, we have two pieces for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and then pin this to avoid it from slipping away. So like so, I pin them, then I'll take it to the sewing machines, then run my stitching around it, leaving the down part of it. So this is what I meant when you turn it to the other side of it. I'm going to go ahead and notch this all around. So I'm just going to trim off some of the seam lines after notching it. I'm just trying to trim off a bit of the seam. Okay, so I'll go ahead and turn this to the right side of it. Make sure you pull in the curvy part very well, like this. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a price. I'm going to go ahead and give this a price while making sure they line with each other. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to. Okay, so now I'm going to fold up the 1/2 inch seam allowance that we have. I'm going to fold it in like this. Then I'll press it down all round. Okay, so I'll turn it around like this and then fold up the other side as well. I'll fold it in and then flat iron it all around. Hey fam, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment if you enjoy watching the tutorial, or you have a question for me. Share this video to your friends and family. Alright, so this is how it turned out. This is the collar. This is how it's going to sit on the shirt or on the neckline. So that is it. We are going to join it to the neckline. Alright, now I'm first of all going to join this starting from the right side of the shirt. So where it has the stay, I'm going to pin it with this with the seam allowance that we have, this half seam allowance we just put it in. I'm going to um pin them like as I'm doing. I'm going to pin them like this all around the neckline. Okay, so this is what I meant. Then I'll take it to a machine and join it just as I've done, like this. Take it to a machine and join them like this.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Okay guys, so this is how it turned out after joining um from the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to turn down um the other half as well and then join it like this at the right side of the shirt. So I'm just passing this under my sewing machine. I'm going to run stitches all around the neckline to join it.
I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
Okay guys, so this is how it turned out after joining the collar to the shirt. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.